We all have a checklist for daily activities at home, work, school, gym, and any other place that it is possible. The checklist is sometimes long term and sometimes short term. All this sounds fine. In fact, makes us disciplined. But what we don't realize is we secretly have a checklist for happiness. I'll be happy when I get this job. I have a large sum of money. I buy this car. I find a perfect life partner. The list goes on and is mostly endless. Also, the joy found in checking off the items on the list after achieving them is fleeting. As soon as we finish basking in the glory of accomplishing something, our monkey mind starts chasing off the next item on the list. Just as food energizes our body, unconditional happiness soothes our mind. Each time we starve our mind of its deserving nourishment, we push it further into darkness. Success definitely elevates our self-esteem. But failures are packed with immense wisdom of life, which can be imbibed only by an open and unconditioned mind. I strongly believe we were all born as happy beings. But on the path of being a grown-up, we traded our innate happy self with anxiety and other negative emotions. Closing our eyes for next 1 minute, let's try to connect with our inner self. Keep your breath gentle and normal paced. With each inhale, let's resolve to open ourselves to all the happiness around us right from now. And with each exhale, let's try to loosen the conditioning of our mind. As we slowly open our eyes, I would like to conclude today's pause with a quote by the Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu. If you look to others for fulfillment, you will never be fulfilled. If your happiness depends on money, you will never be happy with yourself. Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the world belongs to you. I hope you found this pause helpful today. And until we meet next, remember, whenever in doubt, pause and proceed. Namaskara.